opening bell, getting ready to trade a couple options. And my favorite to trade is Freeport Macmoran. It's a stock that I found that has penny options and as well as fluctuates pretty rapidly throughout the day. At least in the opening bell. As you can see, it just jumped up 10 cents in the open. It's up 30 cents from where it closed yesterday. And I'm hoping it holds because I own this call, which actually hasn't opened up yet. The options don't open up till they settle. So I actually have this in another account, and as soon as it opens I will click over to my other account, which has cheaper commissions. I like to use the software in Thinkorswim because the software is just, it's better than anything out there. But the commissions on TD Ameritrade are a little bit more pricey than what you can get out there. That's why I have Trade King as well. So we're up 1.5% on the stock today, up 42 cents. So I should be making a little profit. I bought the 27.50 stock option, which is, wow, look at that. It opened up 48. I better get in there. Okay, so I'm getting ready to close here. Let me refresh this real quick. Hopefully this doesn't cost me too much. Get my call to sell to close. And let's see what it is. I got 15 contracts. And I want to put a limit order in there, and I want to see what the actual limit is right this second. Ooh, it's 38 is what I can get, which is probably what I should just take real quick. 38. Let me enter in. Ooh, let me enter in 40. Let me enter in 40 here. I think I'm gonna get it. 40-cent limit. Let's preview this order. What the hell? I hit the wrong thing. What do you know? I need to get into options. This could cost me money real quick. It's a really fast game here. FCX. Got the 27.50 call. 27.50 call. I am going to sell to close. 15 contracts. Thank God it didn't cost me any money. 0.40 cents. Preview the order. Place the order. The bid's 39. The ask is 42. I may have just got executed. Okay, so I just sold. Now the bid's 41. I just turned $350 into, let's see, I turned $350 into a $200 profit approximately, and I'm happy with it. I knew I should have put in an advanced order that was trailing. However, the bid's still 39, the ask is 46, the bid is 40. So a little glimpse into the option trading world. It's very fast and it's very exciting. I'm sorry, I don't know if you guys could see all that. This is the option I was trading, the 27.50 strike, and You should always trade off of momentum. However, I was trying to be an overnight superstar because I saw resistance, and that's exactly what happened. I seem to get 90% of these trades correct. I'm not trying to be greedy. I'm just trying to take a nice little quick pop off the option. I trade weeklies, and I try to incorporate my strategy within anywhere from 5 to 30 minutes of a trade. So as you can see, this is Freeport McMoran, copper and gold. They also produce a 4.5% yield. They got a 9 times price to earnings ratio with an earnings per share of $3.08. 31-cent dividend every quarter, which is pretty darn good. That's how you get the 4.5% yield. There's always a big pop or a big drop first thing in the morning, and that's why I was already out of my shares. That's how, see how it's already back to the open right here. So I gotta be careful I don't sell anything there. So you want to be quick and nimble because anything can change. As you can see, S&P, the spider's already starting to fall off from where it opened up. So we got the FOMC minutes tomorrow, which is gonna move the market possibly in a negative way tomorrow. Thinking of putting my shorts on today, but I hope you learned something. Options are complex. I usually buy the call or the put. Sometimes I fly the iron condor, which is really basically playing both ways with a limited amount of risk. Here's my chart. I got my on Freeport. I got my momentum, my Bollinger Bands, and my parabolic SAR. And you can't really get this off of a lot of the platforms out there. And then I ride with the spider down below so that I can kind of follow what the market's doing. I also got my E-mini True, E-mini S&P futures right there. I got the NASDAQ futures, and I have the copper futures and the gold futures, which correlate directly with the trading of Freeport McMoran, since they're so heavily, that's such a weighted part of their business. And what do you know, gold sitting at $12.49.50 an ounce right now, up $14. You got the Forex, the Euro's down, which doesn't help Freeport at all. The weaker the Euro, basically the more expensive the gold subsequently. That's kind of how it all ties in. You got your all products, and we're back to Freeport. As you can see, the option that I sold for 40 cents, even though it got bid at 41 this morning, so I picked a penny. I got it a penny less than what the high of the day was. Bid is 36, ask is 39. I paid 25 cents for this option. A lot of people want to try and double their entire option. Let's see, if I figure it out, I made probably a 60% return on $350.